Have you ever bought something and later thought, why did I even spend money on this? The truth is, many things we spend money on today are not giving us the value they once did. Some purchases were useful years ago, but technology changed. Our lifestyles changed. And our financial goals changed. Yet millions of people continue paying for things that quietly drain their bank accounts. In today's video, we're going to look at 10 things that are no longer worth your money and what you can do instead. Because saving money isn't only about earning more. It's about making smarter decisions with every dollar you have. The first thing that may no longer be worth your money is traditional cable TV. Years ago, cable was the main way people watched their favorite shows, movies, and sports. But today, many people pay hundreds of dollars every year for channels they rarely watch. Streaming platforms and flexible entertainment options have completely changed the way people consume content. The problem isn't watching TV. The problem is paying for something you don't fully use. Before your next bill arrives, ask yourself, am I actually getting enough value from this? The second thing is buying brand new technology every year. Many people feel pressure to upgrade their phones, laptops, and gadgets whenever a new model appears. But most upgrades today only bring small improvements. Your current device may already work perfectly. Instead of spending thousands on the latest technology, consider keeping your devices longer and using that money towards savings or investments. The third thing is expensive gym memberships you don't use. Many people start the year with motivation and sign up for expensive fitness plans. But after a few weeks, many stop going. A membership that you never use is simply a monthly payment with no return. Walking, home workouts, or affordable fitness options can help you stay healthy without wasting money. The fourth thing is daily expensive coffee habits. Buying coffee occasionally is not a problem. The problem happens when small daily purchases become automatic. A few dollars every morning can become hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Small habits create big financial results over time. The fifth thing is unnecessary subscriptions. Music apps, streaming services, premium software, cloud storage, and memberships can quietly charge your card every month. The danger is that these payments are easy to forget. Take a few minutes and review every subscription you have. If you don't use it regularly, cancel it. The sixth thing is fast fashion. Many people buy cheap clothes frequently because they seem affordable. But constantly replacing low-quality items can actually cost more over time. Buying fewer, higher-quality items that last longer can save money and give you better value. The seventh thing is extended warranties on every purchase. Sometimes warranties can be useful. But many companies make extra money by selling protection plans that customers rarely need. Before buying one, research the product's reliability and decide if the extra cost is truly worth it. The eighth thing is expensive convenience. Food delivery fees, express shipping, and unnecessary upgrades save time but often cost much more. Convenience is valuable, but using it too often can slow down your financial progress. A little planning can help you keep more money. The ninth thing is buying things just because they are on sale. A discount does not automatically mean you saved money. If you buy something you don't need, you didn't save. You spent money. Smart shoppers focus on value, not just price. The 10th thing that is no longer worth your money is paying extra for things you rarely use. This includes premium memberships, expensive versions of products, unnecessary upgrades, and features you never actually need. Companies often convince people that they need more than they really do. Before paying extra, ask yourself, will this improve my life enough to justify the cost? If the answer is no, keeping your money may be the smarter choice. The biggest lesson is simple. Being financially successful is not about never spending money. It's about spending money on things that truly improve your life. Every dollar has a purpose. You can either spend it on things that disappear quickly, or use it to build a stronger future. Imagine if you save just a little money every month by removing unnecessary expenses. That money could become an emergency fund. It could help you invest. It could bring you closer to financial freedom. The next time you want to buy something, pause and ask yourself 3 questions. Do I really need this? Will this improve my life? Is there a better use for this money? These simple questions can completely change your financial habits. Remember, wealth is not created by one big decision. It is created by thousands of small smart choices repeated over time. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Roy Finance for more simple personal finance strategies that help you save money, invest smarter, and build wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.